It's Wednesday, December 4th, 2013. Good morning, I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. It'll be mainly cloudy today with warmer temperatures. We will have a risk for a few showers later today and this evening, but it will be warm overnight. But is there a wintry mess in store for the end of the week? Get all the details and much more starting right now. And warm across Ohio for now, but that's going to change over the next coming days. We're looking at the NeoWeather 3D Max Doppler radar. Notice we see more snow than rain. Why is that? Look at the bitterly cold air up into the northern Rockies and across the central plains. We have single digits, negative numbers, and teens all the way down into the central plains and some 20s in there as well, with a good bit of snow. Now, this is going to come our way come the end of the week here. It's going to combine with another system that's going to develop over the central plains and then move our way up the Ohio Valley. It's going to cause a big mess. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Otherwise, we do have a few showers off the southeastern coast here. Those are all moving out to sea. Also, some mixed precipitation, maybe some rain and perhaps some snow up in the parts of upstate New York. Otherwise, pretty warm across the south. We're going to get a taste of this air today and tomorrow. Let's take a little bit closer look at home this morning here. Mainly cloudy skies this morning. You can see more clouds off to the west, but you also see these breaks in the clouds here. Yeah, we're going to see some sun on and off through the morning and perhaps the early afternoon. Now, by later afternoon, looks like the cloud cover is going to pick up. It'll be pretty much cloudy through the evening and overnight hours. Temperatures, not too bad. These are our average highs pretty much right now. 45 Cleveland, 42 Ashtabula, 45 Lorain. We're at 43 Youngstown, 42 Ravenna, 44 Akron and Canton, 41 Worcester, 47 Mansfield, and 38 in Dover, New Philadelphia. Temperatures are going to warm pretty nicely to right around 50 degrees today. Our high yesterday was 51 degrees, the low 34. Our average high is 42 degrees, the average low 30. The record high today 70. No precipitation for the month so far. We're at 37.75 inches for the year. Sunrise is at 7:37 a.m. and sunset at 4:57 p.m. We got a system that's going to affect us here Thursday evening through Friday evening. By Saturday morning, we could be talking about a few inches of snow in some locations. Here's the setup. We're going to have a strong cold front approach from the northwest. There's going to be a low pressure system developing over the Mississippi Valley. And that's not the only one. We're actually going to have two move through the area pretty quickly in rapid succession here. Let's put things into motion. So Thursday afternoon, this cold front starts approaching. Thursday night, we get that system through. And then Friday, we get this other system through. And then the cold air behind that system comes in. And this will be some pretty cold air coming in too. The first system really brings a mess Friday. We could be talking about a wintry mix with rain, sleet, snow, and perhaps some freezing rain. The second system, I think where we're at, we're going to see more snow out of that one. And the central and southern portions of Ohio look to see the wintry mix, perhaps with some rain in there at times. We'll see that in the 7-day in just a moment. Now, how much snow are we talking about? We're talking generally about anywhere from 2 to as much as 4 inches in some locations in northeast Ohio. We're going to put together a snowfall map later today, get that published on our fan page. It'll also be in tomorrow's video. So you'll want to be sure to come right back to NeoWeather.com for the very latest on this storm system coming through, and we got another one to talk about too in the 7-day coming up. First, our forecast for today. Mainly cloudy skies. You're going to see some sun in a few spots. Otherwise, it's going to be a pretty thick overcast layer. Our high, though, 52 degrees. Winds will be out of the southeast at 5 to 10. Be mainly cloudy through much of the day. Now, this afternoon, we do risk a chance for a shower or two in a few locations, and that's a pretty small chance. But we'll start your morning off. Well, I have 34, but we're actually in the lower 40s. By 11 a.m., we'll actually be near 50, and I think we'll pretty much be right around 50 through much of the afternoon. And you're also going to see this theme continue into tonight. Look at the temperatures here. They're actually going to go up a few degrees thanks to a little bit more warmer air coming through, kind of a weak warm front passing through. Winds will be out of the south. They'll pick up a little bit, 5 to 15 miles per hour. and temperature, our low will be 50. That'll be early, I think by daybreak though. We'll be right around 53 degrees. Again, a chance for an isolated shower at times through the overnight hours. Over the next 7 days now, Thursday's very warm, 56, cloudy with some late day rain. Temperatures then at the later portions of the afternoon will pretty much bottom out to the low 30s. Look at Thursday night and Friday. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, perhaps just some plain old cold rain at times. It's going to be a little icy out there. We'll drop to right around freezing Thursday night, and I only recovered about the mid-30s on Friday. Now, there could be a time where we just see some plain old rain to the southern portions of our area, and then it'll all change to snow. We could be talking about a few inches of snow. Again, stay right here at neilweather.com for the very latest. We're going to get a map out here for you later today. Then we get pretty cold after that. We get into the teens Friday night, mostly cloudy for your Saturday, much colder, 25, 31 on Sunday, mainly cloudy. Could be a chance for a late day mix of precipitation. This is very late day into the overnight. Rain, snow, maybe even some sleet. Now we drop to around 30 Sunday night, but again, temperatures actually rise a little bit through the night, and that may be enough to allow for everything to change over to just a plain old cold morning rain on Monday. It'll be cloudy though. Temperatures 37 is our high, but then they're going to fall again through the afternoon. So that temperature is pretty much a morning high, and then we kind of just dwindle off into the 30s through the day on Monday. And then we get some bitterly cold air behind that next week. A secondary cold front comes through, bringing in some very cold air. Lake snow possible, high of only 20, and that may be early as temperatures possibly fall into the teens through the day. Be sure to stay with neilweather.com for the very latest forecast.